Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the Marine Soldier in gold alox, as it is here in my hand, featuring the red shield. On the back side we see the big cutout for the marlin spike and also the engraving plate. This knife is a 93mm alox Swiss Army knife, like the Soldier. The only difference is we have here the marlin spike sacking needle with the big cutout instead of the awl that is here on that Apocalypse green Soldier Swiss Army knife. This knife was made in a limited edition for Swiss Bianco.